So on this latest chest X-ray, we can see that the right lung is normal. You have a kind of a right hilum which is quite hard to see, and it doesn't appear bulky at all. And the lungs are nice and dark. However, we go over to the left side. The hilum is a bit bulkier, a bit easier to see, and it looks like there's a veil over the region above the hilum, and this veil isn't obscuring the arch, so it's probably not an anterior mediastinal mass. It's probably a posterior mediastinal mass, or it's a paravertebral mass, or it could be in the lungs as well. The ribs don't look eroded. If I could show you the mass maybe in more detail, I'll just draw an arrow there. So just show you the margins of the mass. You could just about see the edges of the mass, and the mass here. And the best way to look at the mass is using CT. So I'm just going to show the CT scan there. So we look at the CT scan again. We see the same kind of mass, but this time it's much easier to see. You can make it out there. And just draw a few arrows around the mass just to show its margins. You can see that it is actually eroding the rib there. The rib looks quite eroded. So this mass was biopsied. Now I just show you the soft tissue density as well. Again, we have the same mass eroding the rib again. So this could be either a neurogenic mass or an aggressive bronchogenic cancer which is eroding the rib. It's not involving the descending aorta, and there's no there are a few lymph nodes in the hilum of the left lung, but otherwise the scan looks pretty normal.